Immaculate 3-bedroom home with over 1 acre and pool. Looking for a large lot with a spacious home that has been well maintained? Stop looking, because this is the one. This beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath home has a lot to offer. Spacious living room offers gorgeous hardwood floors and wood-burning fireplace, which opens to the eat-in dining area, overlooking a gorgeous fenced-in backyard and swimming pool. Large open kitchen features a breakfast bar island and ample cabinet and counter space with stainless appliances, pantry, and slate flooring. Large master suite offers a large walk-in closet and dual vanity sinks in the master bath with ceramic tile. Large laundry room with extra storage and shelving area for added convenience. Looking for storage? This home has a 2-car garage with built-in shelving and a large 8x10 shed. All of this situated on a beautiful 1.61 acre lot with mature trees and swimming pool with built-in decking. This home has it all.